Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 1, we started cleaning the trailer truck's air intake system. Now, we'll finish the job and share some maintenance tips to help you avoid future problems. Let's continue. Step-by-step cleaning process. Now that you've got your tools ready and safety checked, let's break down the cleaning process into simple steps. A methodical approach ensures no dirt gets left behind, and no parts get damaged in the process. Step 1. Locate and inspect the air intake system. Start by finding the air intake system under your truck's hood. It's usually a large plastic or metal housing near the front or side of the engine, connected to a tube leading to the throttle body. Once located, inspect it closely. Check for cracks or loose fittings in the housing or tubing. Damaged parts won't seal properly, letting unfiltered air in. Look for oil or grime buildup around seams and clamps. Excessive oil can mean a clogged filter or engine issues. Examine the air filter through the housing cover, if transparent, or remove it for a closer look. Heavy dirt or dark spots mean it's time for cleaning or replacement. If you spot damage, note it down. Minor cracks might need sealing, while major issues could require professional help. Step 2. Remove and clean the air filter. Unclip or unscrew the air filter housing to access the filter. Handle it gently, bending or dropping it can cause leaks. Here's how to clean it effectively. Tap the filter against a hard surface to dislodge loose dirt. Do this away from the truck to avoid debris falling into the engine bay. Blow compressed air through the filter from the inside out. Hold the nozzle 6 inches away to prevent tearing the material. Brush stubborn debris with a soft bristle brush if needed, but avoid aggressive scrubbing. Paper filters tear easily. If the filter is discolored, cracked, or still dirty after cleaning, replace it. A compromised filter won't protect your engine. Step 3. Clean the air intake housing. With the filter out, focus on the housing and intake tube. Built-up dust and grease reduce airflow efficiency. Spray a degreaser inside the housing and let it sit for a minute to break down grime. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage plastic or rubber. Wipe with a microfiber cloth, reaching into corners where dirt accumulates. A small brush helps with crevices. Dry completely before reassembly. Moisture left inside can promote mold or rust. For the intake tube, check for oil residue. A little is normal, but excessive oil suggests an engine issue worth investigating later. Step 4. Reassemble and test. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble in reverse order. Slide the filter back into the housing, ensuring it sits flush with no gaps. Secure the housing cover tightly, loose fittings let dirt bypass the filter. Reconnect any sensor cables or clamps removed during disassembly. Start the engine and listen for unusual sounds. A smooth idle and steady RPMs mean you've done it right. If the engine hesitates or the check engine light appears, double check for leaks or loose connections. Maintenance tips for a clean air intake system. Keeping your trailer truck's air intake system clean isn't a one-time job. Regular maintenance prevents dirt buildup, ensures consistent airflow, and saves you from unexpected breakdowns. Ignoring it is like letting dust pile up in your home's air vents. Eventually, the whole system suffers. Here's how to stay ahead of the mess. Using high-quality filters. Not all air filters are created equal. Cheap disposable filters might save money up front, but they cost more in the long run. Here's why investing in a reusable, high-quality filter pays off. Better filtration. High-density materials trap smaller particles, keeping dirt out of your engine. Longer lifespan. Reusable filters last years with proper care, while disposables need frequent replacement. Eco-friendly. Fewer replacements mean less waste. Just clean and reinstall instead of tossing old filters. When shopping, look for filters with sturdy frames and washable fabric. Brands like K&N or AFE offer reliable options. Follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions to avoid damaging the filter. A small upgrade now means fewer headaches and less dirt later. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the right tools and steps, cleaning your trailer truck's air intake system can go wrong if you're not careful. Skipping small details or using the wrong products might seem harmless at first, but they can lead to bigger problems down the road. Here's what to watch out for. Overlooking small debris. Dirt and dust don't always look like a problem until they've piled up. Tiny particles you ignore today can clog filters or scratch engine parts tomorrow. It's easy to miss them, especially in hard-to-reach spots like intake tube corners or sensor housings. Loose debris can get sucked into the engine, acting like sandpaper on pistons and valves. Pollen and fine dust often settle in layers, slowly choking airflow without obvious signs. Nooks and crannies around clamps and seams collect grime that a quick wipe won't remove. Take your time during inspections. Run a flashlight inside the intake tube and housing to spot hidden buildup. If you see any grit, it's worth another round of cleaning. Using harsh chemicals. A dirty air intake might tempt you to reach for strong solvents, but aggressive cleaners can do more harm than good. Sensors, plastic housings, and rubber seals don't react well to chemicals like brake cleaner or acetone. Throttle body damage from harsh sprays can corrode sensitive parts, leading to rough idling or stalling. Brittle plastics crack over time if exposed to solvents, causing air leaks that defeat the purpose of cleaning. Residue buildup from some cleaners leaves a sticky film that attracts more dirt. Stick to mild degreasers or specialized air intake cleaners. If you're unsure, test a small area first. Better yet, check your truck's manual for recommended products. A gentle approach keeps everything working smoothly, no shortcuts needed. A clean air intake system keeps your trailer truck running strong, saving fuel and preventing engine damage. Regular checks and gentle cleaning stop dirt from sneaking into critical parts. Replace worn filters, avoid harsh chemicals, and stick to a schedule. Small steps now prevent big repairs later. Don't wait for a check engine light. Grab your tools, set a reminder, and give your truck the clean air it deserves. Your engine and wallet will thank you. Need a filter recommendation? Drop a comment below with your truck model, and I'll point you in the right direction. Let me know if you'd like this formatted into a downloadable text or ready to upload blog version. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.